So you want to know what it takes to be an iron butt rider, a saddle sore 1000 rider, a ride 1K in a day rider. It's 12:20 in the morning. Here we go. We're about to ride 1K in a day. Stay tuned. Standing in the garage having my cup of coffee. I was putting my bags on the motorcycle and I heard something on the roof. It sounded a lot like rain. It is sprinkling just barely right now. These are the kind of things you have to consider as a motorcycle rider. I'm not getting any money for this challenge. It is dangerous. You're gonna be riding a long time, a lot of miles for a lot of hours. So you gotta consider, hey, you're also leaving pitch dark. I live in the woods. There's a lot of deer out, you know? It's a dangerous feat to just leave. So if it's raining already, do I want to leave in the rain or do I want to wait? So I'm gonna check the radar, keep packing the bike. I'm out here making my final preparations and I can hear it. My rain suit on and go for it. It's been sprinkling a little on and off, but it has been dry all night, so I feel like the roads are probably dry going down to Sturgis. Got to get to Sturgis, get my first gas stop. All right, so got the mesh and the rain suit. Shout out to Crash and Supply for their Mission waterproof gloves. These things are a game changer. If you haven't ever rode in the rain with waterproof gloves and a full suit plus the booties, it's a full game changer. So let's try to get on the road, man. $2 a.m. on the dot. Gonna pee the coffee out, get the gas, and we're on the freaking way. Just a little bit of rain, just some trickles, and that's about it. It's actually pretty warm out too. All right, so I paid the man. My timestamp has officially started, 1:59 a.m., and that is when the time starts. All right, here we go. 2:05 a.m. My mileage 35,306. We're leaving Sturgis, South Dakota.
We're going back to the future.
Well, I guess I can go this way. Let's just get on the interstate as fast as possible. property. I thought it was my pants. So I can't find it yet. Riding next to that light, I was like, is it a semi? Is it a f***ing plane in the sky? It was a train. Quick little stop here. I'm in Alzada, Montana. If I'm going to stop, I may as well get gas. For those of you trying to do a Saddle Store 1000 or ride 1K in a day, if you're stopping, you may as well get gas. Receipts inside. What a hoe. Not sure. My one panel will fit over this or not. I'll add some more. Might make me feel like a munch man. Must make pee while I'm stopped. Following the semi, he saved me from all the animals on the side of the road. He would put his blinkers on left or right to let me know where the animals were. Just leaving Broadus, Montana. It's a sketch because there's animals everywhere. Probably past 100 different deer. So I gotta get behind one of these semis so I know I can follow something. And there was a dead raccoon in the middle of the road. Could have easily crashed me, man. Alright, so 5:21 in the morning. I am not very far out of Broadus, Montana. Whatever semi I was following at 45 miles per hour did not like the fact that I was following him. The first guy I was following was super good. He was giving the signals if he saw a deer or whatever. Basically, I'm waiting for a little bit of daylight because it was seeming dangerous. So, I'm gonna get on the road. Elk running in the field right here. I thought I was a damn horse running fast as fuck. Scared the shit out of me. That was crazy. I just saw an elk running in the field right next to me. Alright, so I just pulled into this town. I don't exactly know where I'm at. I'm 480 something miles in, and I think that's good to turn around because I still have a canyon to go up, which is at least 17 miles when I get home that I did not clock on the way down. I started my odometer in Sturgis. So, because I'm doing good on time, I'm just going to go ahead and turn around now. And it's 10:30 and it's just warm enough for me to shed some layers. Alright, so 593 miles. Just had to stop and change out the battery on the Insta360, and I'm glad I did. It looks like there was a bug. As I pulled into Sturgis, I realized I was going to be about 10 to 15 miles short, even with my canyon. So I decided to go from Sturgis back up to Rapid City to stop at my favorite store over here on the west side, and then I went home.
ligament in my thigh hurts so bad. Oh.